Hello and welcome to A Color With Me. We're going to color a page in Gnome Friends coloring book. I'm using some Ohuhu alcohol markers. Today I do show that I have some colored pencils. I do not end up using them in this video, but I do finish off the coloring page with a white gel pen. This is Wintertime Gnomie. She is a cute little gnome with a fluffy hat holding a rose and has a nice little floral border. She's the first gnome in this coloring book. This is my first coloring book, Gnome Friends, and I released it last year. I have recently re-released it with some new additions. I redid the test page and the contents page, table of contents page, and removed the titles from all of the pages, so it's only shown on the table of contents. If you would like to color this coloring book, you can find a link in the description or a link in my bio to head over to Amazon or Barnes & Nobles to pick up a copy. I absolutely love the color of this rose, and I tried to show in real time here how I blended the two colors together. So I started with this dusty pink, I guess it's called dark pink, and then layered it with a little bit darker pink. I don't show the name of this color on the marker, but I think it turned out really well. Since I did it so quickly, it did more of a ombre blend, but if I had waited for the first color to dry, it would be more of a distinct lines. That's the fun thing about alcohol markers. You can try different blending techniques just based off of the time in which you layer the colors. This green, this bronze green, is one of my favorites in the pack of markers that I have. I do only have this one small pack of markers, but I enjoy the color combinations I get out of it. The blues are really fun, and I tried to use the same blue from the hat for some consistency. And if you've listened this far, thanks so much. I wanted to also in this video let you know that I am giving out free copies of this coloring book to anybody who would like to color it and post some videos of them coloring it on their social media. And if you're interested, if that sounds like something you'd like to do, you can email Karli.creative@gmail.com. That's me. And I'll give you some more information on it, send you a copy of the coloring book. My email will also be in the description so that you can send me an email. I also tried on the hands to do the blending as well here. And now onto the final phase of doing the gel pen. I'm getting slowly better at the highlights, but here it is. Thanks.